How to add phone number on Athene Network. Are you guys facing issues to add phone number on Athene Network? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Athene Network on your mobile device. Once you open up the app, now log in into your account with your registered email and password. After you get logged in, now look at the top left corner of your screen where you can see a profile icon. Click on it. After you click on it, scroll down, you can see the option for phone number. You are looking to add your phone number, right? Now click on your country. Choose your country according to your residence. Once you choose your residence, now click on phone number and write down your phone number. After you write down your phone number, click on update. As soon as you click on update, your number will be added on Athene Network. And that's it, guys. That's how you're gonna add phone number on Athene Network application. If you guys have any issues regarding Athene application, make sure to comment down below so that I can help you out. And if you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.